Hi guys, welcome to this video. It's Femi here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do mini twists on my hair, mini twist as a protective style. Now the first thing I'm going to do is remove this band I secure in my hair. After I washed my hair 3 days ago, I put it in a sleek bun. Yes, a sleek bun. And basically when I do that, my hair usually gets stretched, so I knew that was going to help me achieve my style better. So the first thing I'm going to do is divide my hair into four sections, and that is exactly what I'm doing now. It is always important to try to make your sections as straight as you can. Rather, I was going to say as even, to make it as straight so that you don't have hair like entering into other hair. Yeah, okay, here water entered my body still. Yeah, and first I'm going to start with spraying water on my hair because, as you know, water. Okay, well, you do not know, but like water is a very good. Well, you might not know. Water is a very good moisturizer. So I followed with my deep conditioner, and the reason I did that was because I do not have a leave-in conditioner, and it was written in the body of that deep conditioner that a light amount could be used as a leave-in conditioner. So making the most of product. So now this is basically how I decided to do this protective style. I started to use my cotton comb to divide lines section by section, and I walk through those lines. Yes, getting in close for you guys. So I usually use my fingers to determine how much or how full rather I want a section to be, and that's exactly what I did. And we're going to go into the twisting now. If you noticed, I made sure my hand was very close to the roots. That would help to make sure that your hair is firm. Now, we are not doing this for a twist out. Well, this particular style of twisting is not the one that you want to use for a twist out, though it can be used. Though the reason you may not want to use it for a twist out is because it is more time consuming, and yeah, the sections are too small, except if you want to do like a really mini twist out. Anyways, it's good to make sure your hand is very close to the root so that way you can like take the hair securely and start like that. The reason I'm showing this particular side is because if you notice, I'm twisting it in an anti-clockwise manner. I assume that's what it is. So there is no one style to twisting your hair. It's not that you have to twist your hair to decide whichever feels right in your hand. That's what you should do. You're still going to get a good twist out either way, whichever style you decide to go for. Anyway, it's important at the end to make sure that you seal the ends, and that's what I did there. You can go back to check it. You seal the ends, and that is by rolling, using your hands to roll it. I'm going to show you once again how I twist. Some close up for you. See, my hand is very close to the roots, and then you begin to twist and twist and twist like that. It's good to make sure your hand is firm because when it's loose, you get a loose twist. And the thing about twist is because you are twisting it, because it's not a braid, even while it is firm while you are twisting, it's going to get loose once you release your hand. So you want to make sure that while you are twisting, it is actually firm. I showed you my blue magic conditioner, hairdress conditioner thereabout. So that's what I like to use to twist my hair. I have not tried a curling butter yet, but if you have anyone you would like me to try, please recommend. Anyways, this is the middle of my hair. I know people are usually curious as to how twisting is achieved. I mean, the middle of your hair, and you may have a little pain in your arms, but yeah, once you get used to it, it won't really be so potent or whatever. So yes, I was saying about my blue magic conditioner hairdress. I've not tried the curling butter yet, but I've noticed that using this blue magic conditioner hairdress keeps my hair very very moisturized. Like if I decide to take this for a week, I know that my hair is going to like that by the time I'm unraveling the twist, I'm not going to have a dry mess. So this is the other area, and I'm just going to show you one. Now if you notice, I kept removing my hands, like I kept loosening the twist I started, and that's because you want to make sure the two you are taking is even. It does not have to be like so even, especially because it's mini twist, so it won't be really noticed, compared to when you're actually doing like midi or maxi twist. So just make sure that to an extent the both of the strands are even. And by the magic of editing, we are done. Yes, we are finally done. And this area took me about, let's say like an hour or like, yeah, an hour, 30 minutes thereabout. And then for this section, I'm going to be dividing the two sections into four sections. And the reason I'm going to be doing that is because I did not want my twist to have a middle pattern. As you saw in the thumbnail, it was not really a side part, it was not really a middle part. It just had that style where you can just choose to make it whatever. So that was what I wanted. I did not want a middle pattern. And yeah, we're going with our Blue Magic Deep Conditioner again. And basically how I do it is, once I divide a section, first water, followed by my Blue Magic Deep Conditioner, though I prefer to apply the Blue Magic Deep Conditioner. I prefer to apply the Blue Magic hair conditioner hairdress. Okay, I'm saying rubbish now. I prefer to apply that on the individual sections because, as I said, it helps moisturizing, and that is like what I really want to get, because I do not want to be oiling my hair all through the week. That's just going to cause a lot of build up, and I do not want that. So, yep, Blue Magic hair condition. Wait, okay, yeah, just watch. Twist, twist, twist. And we are done again with our six sections. And I know this side is looking pretty stretched, but that's because I made a sleek bun first, so it made my hair stretched. But of course, applying water is going to make it shrink, as you already know. I'm not going to work on dry hair just because I'm afraid of shrinkage. Shrinkage is my identity. Anyway, as you can see, I'm dividing this section into five sections, and if you see, there is no direct middle parting, there's no central parting. I just said the same thing. There's no side parting or anything because I just wanted five sections just to braid my hair. Now, the first section, I divided it the same way I divided the rest sections. Oh, holy Moses. I divided this first section the same way I worked with the former sections, which like when we started the video. Anyway, yeah, that was basically what I did. If you see the man, oh, a royal majesty, hey, picking we fine like this. Okay, yeah, we're back. So as I said, I walked through the section, the first two sections, the same way I. Mm, okay, let's just continue. But as you can see, I decided to show this part a normal speed because I want you to see how I work through the. Now, something different here is, if you look closely, you see that the parting is slant, so it's not straight. As I got to the crown of my head, I made the parting slant because I wanted a little bit of it to fall to my face. So yes, if you see it's falling to my face now because it's slant. If I kept it straight, it was going to have a funny look, and I did not want that. So this got my hair to my face, which was what I wanted. And then for the fourth pattern, I basically did it the same way I did the the first one, which is just straight, straight, straight. I did not want the whole of the section in front to fall to my hair, so I made sure this was a little, more to this side. And the final section was what I did different. I did not cut it straight down. Rather, I cut it. Is this vertical? I think this is vertical, right? Or horizontally? I don't know. So yes, I cut this the same way, straight but horizontally or vertically, whichever that is. Anyway, yeah, and I continued working and working and working that way till I got to the final one I was so excited to be done losing this hair. By the way, you know how sometimes you be doing your hair and just notice your hair like, what? So my hair has even gotten this long. That was exactly what happened there because shrinkage be doing the most. Like you be thinking, oh, my hair is not even growing. In fact, there's this image I screenshotted on Instagram, so I'm even going to put it on the screen. That you really think like expectations, you expect your head to be seeing the hair that is growing, but in actual fact, it may even remain like this on the same shrinkage level, and you won't know until you actually like pull your hair to see. But anyways, we are finally done. And as you can see, there isn't an exact pattern. It kind of has a little bit of a side-ish pattern, but then not exactly. This was the look I wanted. I did not want something major. And yeah, mini twist achieved in a very short time. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please make sure that you like the video. Thank you.